and welcome back to another Mel Rose Mixers video. I'm Mel, and today we're going to be doing the final 6th episode of Root Classic Cocktails, and this one is the flip. What is a flip? It is booze, sugar, and an egg. That's pretty much it, with a garnish of nutmeg on top. The origins of the flip, it was made back in the 20th century, originally in England, and they used a beer. It was heated with rum and sugar, and that was pretty much the recipe up until a few centuries later. It became popularized in America, and they used a hot iron poker, and that would froth up the drink, and then it would, which they called flipping, and then that's kind of how the drink got its name. Then as cocktails do, they all evolve, and then so the flip that we make today is generally a fortified wine or like a rum or a darker spirit generally, and then some sugar syrup. I've got some brown 2-to-1 sugar syrup today, and a whole egg with nutmeg. So I mean, let's get into making the drink. Alright, so I've got my chilled cocktail glass here. Reason being why I've already measured this out is I have forgotten my jigger today. I'm at my partner's house and he doesn't have one, so I've just measured it out using tablespoons and teaspoons, which you can do at home if you don't have that equipment. So yeah, we're going to be doing 15 mils of brown sugar syrup. We're doing 60 mils of PEDRO XIMENZ. I'm never going to say that right, so I do apologise. I'm not the greatest at it. And we're going to be doing 1 whole egg. Now, I've actually never had a flip before. I've had egg white cocktails, countless egg white cocktails, never a flip, so this is an experience for me. And then we're going to dry shake this first to emulsify that egg and to make it really frothy. So about 30 seconds. Make sure it's really tight as well, because that egg just wants to escape out of that tin. It's like pressurized or something. Alright. And now we're going to add 1 big ice cube, doing a 10 to 12 second shake, and that is just going to create the chill and dilution to the appropriate amount. That is enough. Alright, so we're going to empty our chill glass. I usually keep it in the freezer as well, but there's not much space here. Oh, I'm puffed. Not much space to be putting my glass in the freezer at the moment. Just going to dump that straight in. And we're just going to garnish that with a bit of nutmeg. It looks pretty. So let's give it a taste. That's delicious. Oh wow. Tastes like the holiday season. I would actually want that heated up, I think. I mean, I can see why they did that. Beautiful. It's nice and sweet. You get the sultanas from the sherry. I mean, it's not boozy at all. Like you could, I think that's a milkshake. Honestly, like, you cannot taste the booze in that. I can see why people like to cut a bit of bourbon or cut a bit of rum into this, like spiced rum, just to get that bit of heat from the alcohol. Because, oh, this is dangerous. Because I mean, if you end up drinking a whole bottle of this, that's like 15% alcohol, like, still gonna get you there. Alright, well, that's today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in another Mel Rose Mixers video, and stay tuned for the Modern Classics series. Alright, see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.